everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You guys really seem to like my last Michaels unboxing $4 bag haul, so I did something again. I got 2 boxes for $4 each, so let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to put this one down, and I'm going to set this one to the side. But yeah, so they were both $4 again at Michael's. This one wasn't as heavy, so I got some glass ornaments. These are regular $14, 8 pieces. I don't like glass in my house, so I'm going to be getting rid of them, donating them. Gold ones, which, like I said, ooh, very breakable stuff in these boxes. So I saw a lot of other boxes that had a lot of crafting stuff in it from other videos. That's why I want to pick up 2 boxes, but I don't think I got any crafting stuff. I got this thinger bobber, whatever it is. Looks like a vase. You can put a votive or something in there. I don't know. This was regular $14 as well. I got 2 of these mugs. This one says, "Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow." And this one says, "Dashing through the snow." And these were regular $6 each. I got this little creepy elf thing. Some sort of like ornament. It was regular $10. I will keep this, even though it's glass, but set it somewhere. If everything wasn't glass, it'd be awesome. So I got this glass ornament. It's just this cute balloon. This was $14. I also got it in a pink color. And then I got 3 of these. They're $14. Were the other ones $14? Yeah, the other one's $14. They look like a root beer shake kind of thing. I don't know, it's very pretty, but I got 3 of these as well. So I feel like this next box has more bang for my buck. So first off, I got 2 of these plants, these Christmas plants. They're just fake, $12. This is what they look like. So 2 of those. I got 2 of these mugs, and it says "Fa la la latte." And these were regular $6. I got 2 more Dashing Through the Snow ones. I got All Is Merry and Bright. And I got this little candle holder. This was regular $5. I thought it was more, but this is regular $5. Put a tea light in there. And then I got 2 of these ones. These ones are $12, and you can put like a bigger candle in there. This is a cute ornament. This one was $14. I wouldn't pay $14 for this, but it's a cute rainbow. I got this one, and it's just like plaid with like stuff on top. This one was $10, which I wouldn't pay $10 for that. This one has been like really scratched, so probably like them putting it into this bag. But this one was $18. I got this one right here, and this one was $14. I got 3 of these stove ones, which I don't know why they made a stove one. These are $16, so this is what it looks like. So they're all green. They all look like this. I thought this one was really cute. This one was $16, and it just looks like a milkshake. It would be really cute if they had like a straw on it, but there's not a straw on it, so that's just what that looks like, and you can see like cherries in there. I got this ice cream one. You guys see it? That light kind of sucks. There you go. Ice cream one. This one was $14. So these next bunch I am going to keep, and then I can put names on them and stuff, but I got this one right here. This one was regular $4, so this one alone paid for the box. I got 2 of these ornaments right here, and these were $4 each. Okay, so next I got 4 of these ones, and these ones are a little bit different. They have the 2 and then like the different things on the bottom, but they're the fireplaces as well, and they were $4 each. I got this little angel one, and she was $4 each as well. I mean, yeah, each, but I only got 1. I got this cute little cupcake one, and it was $4. And then the last thing I got are these 2. They're like the red car with the tree on top, and they were $4 as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.